Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the thumbnail of a YouTube short. First, go to the YouTube app on your mobile device. Make sure you are signed in to the right account. Then, go to your channel page by tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then select the option that says Your Videos. Now find the short that you want to change the thumbnail for. Tap on the three vertical dots next to that short. From the menu, select Delete. YouTube will ask you to confirm. Tap Delete again. Keep in mind, once a video is deleted, it is gone forever. So make sure you have a copy of the short saved on your phone or computer before deleting. Once the short is deleted, it is time to upload it again with a new thumbnail. Open the YouTube app again and tap the plus button at the bottom of the screen. Choose Create a Short button at the left and select the short you want to upload. Now, drag the slider to the part of the video you want to use as your thumbnail. This selected frame will be shown as the cover of your short after selecting the right frame. Tap Done. It will take some time for processing. After processing, touch the check mark. Then touch Next. Then, give your video a title and choose your settings. Make sure everything looks good. Finally, tap Upload Short to publish the video with your new thumbnail.